Now, I want to show you how to chat with yourself on the WhatsApp application. With this new feature, WhatsApp users like us can start a conversation with our own number. Okay, just back to the business. First, open any web browser on our phone. For example, I'm going to use Chrome, Google Chrome, but you also can use it with the other browsers such as Firefox, something like that. In the address bar, type http colon /wa.me and then slash, starting with the plus symbol, and then just type your country code and your own WhatsApp number. After you finish, then press the go button here. And then WhatsApp will direct you to a page containing a big green button that says continue to chat. Tap on it and now you will see a regular WhatsApp chat with your own number. If you already saved your number with your name, it will display your name. You can now chat with yourself by typing something and pressing send. For example, I'm going to type, "Hello, how are you?" Then I'm send this. Okay, to check it, close the WhatsApp application and then try to reopen again your WhatsApp application. And then you can see your own chat will be there. Right there. You can see, right? That we typed before already appear, right? Okay. These are the steps to chat with yourself on the WhatsApp application. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to my channel by tapping on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive notification of all new videos. Thanks for watching and bye!